Today I'd like to talk to you about a couple of the extra things that Thrive Home Builders does in their homes. Thrive Home Builders certifies every home that we build with the Department of Energy's Zero Energy Ready Home program. This program has many requirements which we comply with to gain that certification, but there are several things we do in addition to that, above and beyond the program requirements. Today I'm going to talk about two of those. The first being our 9.5-inch thick walls. We build a double 2x4 9.5-inch thick wall that provides extra insulation above and beyond what any other builder does. This super insulated wall not only provides comfort to the home, but provides sound dampening of outside noise. You will find that a Thrive home is not only comfortable and efficient, but it's also quiet because of this additional feature. Now let's talk about the drywall. The drywall we install in our homes is a CertainTeed AirRenew Drywall. As part of the EPA Indoor Air Plus program, which we certify all of our homes to, formaldehyde is a contaminant that we avoid by sourcing materials that are low to no off-gassing products. Now, what many people don't know is the products that you buy at the store, whether it be a rug or a couch or a chair, any piece of furniture, may contain, and probably does contain, formaldehyde. Now, that product will off-gas when it's first brought into the home for a period of time. We realize this, and we're committed to providing clean indoor air for our home buyers. So we've added this extra feature of the CertainTeed AirRenew Drywall. This is a very special drywall because it captures and sequesters airborne formaldehyde. So should one of our home buyers buy one of these products that has formaldehyde that off-gasses, we've not only provided ventilation and fresh air to combat that, but our drywall will capture that and sequester it, creating that healthy, fresh indoor air that we want to deliver for the long term to our home buyers in a Thrive home.